Scott Holbrook, Director of Sales, Secure Sling and Strap. So we are doing a home installation of a Bobcat miner. We have just started making our homemade enclosure. We just got basically a piece of Tupperware. It's going to have a lid on it. It is going to seal. It's going to be watertight, which is what we want. We have used actually some wood. See here, we just got a wood spade kit. We're using the 1-inch right here for the larger holes, and we just used a 3/8 inch for the smaller holes. The larger ones are where we're going to put the cords at, and the smaller ones are really just to help with heat dissipation. We have a PoE splitter right here. The injector's down at the other side. We'll get you a video of that later. Basically, we're going to put this box, all into this box. We're going to seal it up. I'm going to raise it on top of a pole. So let's just unplug here. Always make sure that you there we go. Take out the energy there. I'm going to undo the antenna. And so this is actually a stock antenna that we're using right now. We do have an 8 dBi that we're going to replace this one with. I'll follow the cord up there. And that's what we're working with. That's what we're gonna be replacing here. So we're gonna put the Bobcat in. Fits pretty nicely, as you can see. Gonna put our splitter in. No problems there. Bring our Ethernet cable into one of our boxes, into our splitter. Make sure you put it into the data in. Go data power in. It's really windy here. I apologize if there's any difficulty hearing me. So boom, that's in there. It's green, set to 12 volts, which is what we want. And then we're going to plug this in. Now it's important though that you always plug in your antenna before you plug in your miner, or else you risk damaging your miner, because the antenna takes a lot of that energy. And so, I'll be right back and with the antenna, plug it all in, and then we'll show you what that looks like.